Welcome to Newspresso. Here is the top story in the past 6 hours. In late May, a routine stop outside a Washington, D.C. laundromat turned into a courtroom drama when officers seized a handgun from a man named Deandre Davis. The officers claimed they had reason to suspect Davis of carrying a weapon, but the story unraveled during a pre-trial hearing that aired the next month. Judge Anna Reyes, sitting in a packed courthouse, delivered a verdict that rippled through the city's already fraught policing scene, a city that's been a lightning rod for national debates about law enforcement after a flood of federal officers was dispatched by the Trump administration. Reyes' decision was more than a routine dismissal of evidence. She openly criticized the U.S. Attorney's Office, led by Jeanine Pirro, for calling on Metropolitan Police Department investigator Harvey Hinestroza to testify on behalf of the prosecution. The judge was blunt. She had seen Hinestroza's credibility under fire in at least 2 other D.C. Superior Court cases, where judges had found his claims about smelling marijuana or identifying substances from a distance to be false. Yet Pirro's team had still leaned on him, perhaps hoping his name would carry weight with the judge. Guns seized from Davis had no place in the case. "I am extremely disappointed," Reyes said. Judge barred use of weapon as evidence. She warned Davis that the office may drop charges. She would dismiss the case outright. Reyes urged Davis to think about his next steps. He had a second chance that would not come again. The fallout was immediate. Prosecutors were stunned by the judge's scolding. They released a statement. They said the judge was being offensive. He questioned a police officer's reliability. Video footage captured the crime. It matched 2 officers' accounts. Spokesperson from Metropolitan Police declined. A union letter went unanswered. City trust in policing was strained. The high-profile case added fuel to debate. Judge's remarks about a discredited officer. He was speaking under oath. It added fuel to a debate on accountability and on witness vetting. Defense counsel Eugene Ohm highlighted footage. Surveillance footage contradicted officer's story. He noted no one could detect smoke from pool away. The judge appreciated this point. The judge's ruling underscored false testimony. Under oath, it undermines public confidence. Prosecutors must be diligent in selecting credible witnesses. During the weeks, the case was a touchstone. It sparked debate on federal law enforcement. Standards for officers and prosecutors were a focus. The next step may be Davis's motion to dismiss. It could restore the case to the district attorney. It may set a new precedent for evidence handling. Subscribe Newspresso. Never miss a major global headline.